Hi, good morning everyone. Nice to see you once again in this morning. Today I'm going to teach you about some any with countable and uncountable nouns. So what does it mean about some any with countable and uncountable noun? If you want to make sure just see in this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to use the countable and uncountable noun. Let's start with singular nouns. This is we call singular noun. So what does this mean, singular noun? Look into the table here. I would like, example, I would like a big fish, or I would like a glass of milk, or I would like a sandwich, or I would like some milk, I would like some bread, I would like some toast. Yes, this is the example in the column. Let's see this point. Countable nouns. This is we say countable noun. What is a countable noun? So you see here, a plus singular countable noun, a plus singular countable noun, like this. A liquid. It means a plus singular countable noun. Yes. So what does this mean? Liquid, cup, and liquid, cup, and sandwich are countable noun. Yes, are countable noun. We can count them. Yes, we can count them. We can count them. Yes. Example: one big feet. This means one big feet. Two big feet. Yeah, it's two big feet. Three big feet. It's three big feet. Yeah, countable nouns can be singular or plural. Countable noun can be singular or plural. Yes. Countable noun can be singular or plural. Yes. See this point? Count uncountable nouns. This is uncountable noun. Yes. What does this mean? Uncountable noun. You see here some. Some plus singular uncountable noun. Yes. Some plus singular uncountable noun. Example: meals, breads, and toast are uncountable noun. Yes. Again, meal, breads, and toast are uncountable noun. So this is uncountable. Example here: some liquid, some bread, some toast. This is uncountable noun. This is countable noun. A liquid, a glass, sandwich. Yes. Continue. Yeah. We cannot count them. Uncountable noun. This means we cannot count them. Yeah. You have to remember this point. Cannot count them. Yes. We cannot count them for uncountable noun. Yes. We cannot say a meal. Again, we cannot say a meal, a bread, or a toast. Two meals, two bread, three toasts. Yeah, we cannot say like this. Yeah, we cannot say like two meal, two bread, three toasts, a meal, a bread, or a toast. See here. You see here. Uncountable nouns are always singular. Yeah, uncountable nouns are always singular. Again, uncountable nouns are always singular. Yeah. Point here. We can also use the before countable and uncountable noun. Yes. We can also use the before countable and uncountable noun. Yes. Now, this is what we are learning about countable and uncountable nouns. So this is the explanation, the whole lesson. And now, so we are going to practice our exercise here. Practice 34. Write C after the countable nouns and U after the countable noun. It means C, that means countable noun, and U, uncountable noun. So you have to write down which is countable and which is uncountable. If the nouns uncountable, you can use letter U. If the noun countable, you can use letter C. Here, the example, pepper is uncountable noun. Yes, pepper, uncountable noun. Coffee, uncountable nouns. Coffee, uncountable noun. Okay. Sorry. Continue. Yes. Cassettes, countable noun. Cassette, countable noun. Information, uncountable noun. Butter, countable noun. Soup, countable noun. Pen, countable noun. Metal, uncountable noun. Book, countable noun. Rice, countable noun. Spaghetti, uncountable noun. Child, countable noun. Milk, uncountable noun. Continue. News, countable noun. Job, countable noun. Home, uncountable noun. Apple, countable noun. Toothpaste, uncountable noun. Bus, countable noun. Shawl, uncountable noun. Girl, countable noun. Monkey, uncountable noun. Nice, countable noun. Age, countable noun. Table, countable noun. Shampoo, uncountable noun. Continue. Coat, countable noun. Water, uncountable noun. Tea, uncountable noun. Flour, uncountable noun. Bread, uncountable noun. Bag, countable noun. Ball, countable noun. Soup, shop, countable noun. Sorry, this one is shop, uncountable noun. Yes, shop, uncountable noun. Food, uncountable noun. Cup, countable nouns. Cat, countable noun. Meat, uncountable noun. Honey, uncountable noun. So this is the answer of our practice exercise. So you have to make sure that you remember which one is uncountable and which one is countable. This is countable. This means we can count the amount all of them. And this one uncountable noun. This means we cannot count them. So we call it uncountable noun. If we can count the thing like something, you can say it countable noun. So today the lesson that we are studying about uncountable and countable, and I hope that you will make sure and you will be understand what I'm teaching you about this lesson. And if you want to make sure, please review and watch this lesson again and again. Thank you for joining with me for this lesson online, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and click the bell, and you will get more video from me. Thank you.